Bienvenue dans la partie 3.6. Je vais faire les parties en deux. Donc, tu sais, comme partie 1, je vais la couper en deux pour faire des vidéos de 20 minutes. Mais ça, vous le savez déjà. Nous nous retrouvons dans Soma. Si je me rappelle bien, on s'est poussé avec... ouais, c'est ça, une fusée pour se diriger vers le site. Mais dû à l'explosion du bateau, on a atterri plus loin, puis notre petit ami, le robot, est venu nous aider à nouveau. Ce qui est cool. Je l'adore. Bon. Donc, on est à nouveau seul avec notre petit ami pour avancer vers le prochain site. Ah, il y en a un autre, mais il y a de l'aide. Oh. Ils sont brisés, t'es rendu toute seule. C'est vraiment triste. Site Delta. Nous avançons, bien sûr, mais sûrement.
Rusted shut. Probably for the best. Not sure I trust the shuttle train anymore.
Qu'est-ce qu'il faut que je fasse maintenant? C'est quoi ça? Ah, transport maritime. Ok. Ah, Zeppelin. Liaison impossible. À l'arrêt. Ah, le Zeppelin. Liaison impossible, ok. Antenne. 3C. Oups, excusez-moi, je suis trompé de touche. Radio. Ouais, des fichiers de récupérer.
Strasky, you can see the Zeppelin now.
Good. Sorry about the mess. Without the positioning system, the Zeps just keep losing their set routes. Voljet did say that you could have fixed it on your side by redigging the antenna. Guess it doesn't matter now. Are all of you coming?
No, just me, Goy, and Creer. Akers is set on being a stubborn old man.
All right. See you soon, Brandon. Happy evac.
Peter, can you hear me?
I hear you, Terry. I mean, Mr. Akers, sir.
I've changed my mind. I would like to come to Theta. Let Delta sleep.
Of course. Wow. Honestly, didn't expect to hear from you again. Such a long time since you checked in. We have a few divers in a Zeppelin surveying Lambda at the moment. I'll just make sure they pick you up when they're done.
Thank you for the warning. I'll make sure they feel welcome.
Okay. See you when you get here.
Étrange. Très, très étrange. Bon, ok, faut que je répare l'antenne. Ah, l'antenne est là. Pas de signal. Ah, liaison établie. 840. Ça. Discipline. Attends, si je fais Zeppelin. Impossible. Impossible. Ok. Ça marche pas. Ok, non, c'est des canaux. Liaison établie. Ah! Intéressant. Non, je cherche un peu dehors. Ça doit pas être si facile de vivre là-dedans. Isoler tout, pas de lumière, jamais. Toujours dans les profondeurs. Oh my god! C'est... des yeux, ok. La lumière me fait mal aux yeux. Il me dit que je n'ai pas besoin de cette chair vitreuse à l'intérieur de mon crâne pour voir le salut. Je m'en débarrasserai volontiers pour empêcher de faire échouer cette mission divine. What? Ils sont carrément virés fous. Adversaire corrompu. Mon reflet dans le sang noir de notre gardien murmure. Je dois les sauver de cet enfer, les endormir, les enfermer dans les rêves lucides que j'ai vus. Ok. Passe, on restera pas trop longtemps ici. Allez, ouvre-toi, je ne veux pas rester ici, moi.
Can't believe how much I'm sweating.
Hey, could you maybe help? I need to get to Theta.
Give me some room, really.
Listen.
Help me out here, will you?
Hey, can you hear me?
Make yourself useful.
Hey, you.
Give me some room, will you? Yeah? You put in a good word for me? I'm not sure that's a good thing. Nah, I'm just messing with you.
Ok, à mon avis, là, j'ai activé ça. Ah. Le Zeppelin ne répond pas. Parfait, je dois trouver le Zeppelin 40. Oh my god. Ah! Allez mon petit ami robot. C'est le meilleur robot au monde.
Good robot.
Ah! Un truc de soin. Manuel. Satan n'a pas de modules vocaux, mais il peut communiquer en émettant des sons et des signaux lumineux simples. Oh. Ouvrier intermédiaire. Intelligence complexe, classe unie, pilotage à distance. Ce vaisseau ne possède qu'une intelligence de base, un pilotage nécessaire pour manipuler son équipement. C'est pour ça qu'il nous poursache puis qu'il essaye de le tuer. Bon, ok, évacuation de Theta. Terry et votre équipe et vous serez évacués vers Theta le 14. Tout sera pris en charge. Dès votre arrivée, vous serez affecté à de nouveaux postes. Ne faites pas de vagues, nous avons assez de fortes têtes comme ça. Ok. Allez vous faire foutre, Kronstead. Je ne partirai pas. Vous n'avez pas le droit de m'y obliger. Terry, cet ordre ne vient pas de moi, imbécile. Je ne fais que vous les transmettre. Voulez-vous vraiment rester? Très bien. Accrochez-vous à votre dépotoir, mais votre équipe part demain. Monsieur, j'ai le plaisir de vous informer que votre équipe est bien arrivée à Deta. Prévenez-moi quand vous serez prêt à partir, je vous enverrai un moyen de transport. Joyeux Noël, monsieur Hank. N'hésitez pas à nous prévenir si vous voulez être réaffecté à Deta. Journal d'accès, accès local. Chic. Il était faux aux échecs, lui. Donc, il y en a un qui n'a jamais voulu quitter cet endroit. Ok, ça, c'est les boîtes. Je vais retourner dans le truc, je crois que j'ai raté quelque chose. Antenne. Où je trouve le... Ok. Faut que j'aille sa ligne jaune. Parfait.
Brennan, did you move the Carthage casing? We need to test that one before we ship it.
Laisse fin. Ok, donc ça, Zeppelin, Echo.
Transport active. Unspecified cargo.
Parfait. Demandez le transport. Yes!
The Zeppelin's on its way. Better get ready.
Plus qu'à attendre. Avec notre cher petit droïde.
That's definitely the Zeppelin.
Ah, le Zeppelin. Un autre moyen de transport. Ah, yes.
Ah!
Calm down. We're safe.
Oh, it's really disconcerting popping in and out of existence like that. Where are we now?
Delta. At least that's what you said before the crash.
Oh, right. Of course. Is this a Zeppelin?
Appropriately named. You think it can get us to Theta?
It's a cargo transport. They use them for moving materials between the sites, anything that's too big for the shuttles. I'm sure it can carry us. Why won't it work? Come on. Oh, the tool chip is bust.
Isn't that part of the Omni tool?
Look who's been paying attention.
I had to deal with that back at Upsilon.
Then you know how it works. We need to get a new tool chip and switch it.
Care to point me in the direction of the closest tool chip storage?
I think it would be easier to just take one from a robot.
What? Just knock a robot over the head and steal their chips?
The toolbox over there says it has a stun baton. You could use that.
Come on. I don't want to hurt anyone. Isn't this a bit much?
It's just a robot, Simon.
We're just robots. Sort of. I'll get us the chip. Guess I have no choice.
Oh non, faut que je détruise un robot. Non, non, non. Jamais je détruirai mon petit ami. Jamais. Attends. What? Jamais. Pas faire commettre un meurtre. Il m'a toujours aidé. Il ou l'autre qui? Va faire détruire l'autre. Viens ici de toi.
Come on.
Pardonne-moi. Mais tu vas au moins que mon petit robot.
I hope this works.
Thanks, Simon. Don't be mad, okay? We really needed that chip. We'd be stuck here.
Could you do it? Kill a robot like that?
I get attached to them too. I'm not a monster. But in this case,
Ouais,
it had
c'est
to
ça.
be done.
He
Je
was
sais.
talking. I mean, he was delusional, but he seemed sincere. Present.
Yeah, well, I'm sure it's fine.
Was he really that different from us? It's just beginning to sink in. I mean, really sink in. I'm a robot.
Didn't we cover this already?
Guess I've known ever since I woke up at Upsilon. I just keep suppressing it. Like my brain doesn't want me to think about it. It's really getting hard not to think about it.
Yeah. Could you maybe hit that switch over there so we could get moving?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Thanks.
Bye bye, mon ami le robot. Fais attention à toi. Vis le plus longtemps que tu peux. Je suis un monstre, je préférais tuer un être de conscience, même si c'est peut-être pas une vraie conscience, pour sauver mon petit ami robot, que lui, il n'en a quasiment pas. Mais il est trop mignon, comment tuer une chose comme ça? C'est comme demander de tuer un chat ou un être humain. Tout le monde choisit l'être humain. Du moins, tout le monde est censé, je pense. Ou son chien, genre. Personne veut tuer ses animaux de compagnie. On va faire bien plus tuer quelqu'un qu'on connaît pas. Comme ça baisait vraiment les consciences.
You're really good back there, Simon. We got a slight Delta detour, but we're back on track.
Yeah.
We should touch down on a cargo platform just outside Theta. Then we just head inside, grab the Dotbat, and head down the abyss. 4,000 meters. That's a long way. We don't have to worry, though, because with the Dotbat, the Ark could have been in the Mariana Trench. It'll hold for anything.
That's great.
And then we can start listening to other people when they talk, because that's how conversations work.
What? Oh, sorry. I just can't stop thinking about what we've become. It's clear that we're no longer human. But then how can I feel like Simon? How can I feel like anything at all? I mean, technically, I don't have any ears, no mouth. Christ, that's a weird thing to think about. I mean, I'm making sounds. I'm still saying things.
You
Oh, puis
sure
pour eux que ça
are.
intéresse, je vais peut-être aussi. J'aime bien les jeux dans l'eau un
Your
peu.
new body most
Donc j'ai
likely has
Somnatica,
senses
ça se peut que je
similar
fasse
to
des
those
vidéos
you
dessus.
had as a human.
Essayer de faire
And
la
your
campagne
mind,
sans
only
tricher.
knowing one way to perceive the world, superimposes that skill set on top of your new features.
So my mind is covering it up, pretending nothing's different.
If it didn't, you'd probably be incapable of interacting with the world at all. And the stress would either kill you or make you go insane.
So I've found a good balance between awareness and ignorance. Does that mean I shouldn't think about this stuff, or are my thoughts actually making me go? Could I tip the balance by suddenly gaining some insight and then go insane?
I wouldn't worry about it. I mean, we have real things to deal with. Saving mankind, remember? Speaking of which, we're closing in on Theta. I'll eject the Omnitool.
Ah, on est
As
quasiment
always,
arrivé.
don't forget to take me with you.
Kath, before you go, the artificial intelligence you mentioned in the escape vessel,
Uh-huh, yeah, the Warden unit, the WOW.
is it the WOW's fault that we're like this? I mean, it seems like something an unreliable AI would do.
I suppose it set the ball in motion, but it's not directed with purpose. It's really complicated to explain how machines think, Simon. Concentrate on getting inside Theta, okay? See you soon.
Oh, c'est reparti.
Strasky, wake up Dr. Masters. We're bringing in anchors.
What's wrong?
What can I say? He's had a rough day.
Jesus Christ. He's all butchered by structure shrapnel. The WOW sure did a number on him.
Brandon, flip the panic switch on the suit. I don't want to burn through the oxygen.
You're kidding, right? He's fucking hanging on by a thread. We need to move him.
Strasky, get the infirmary ready. We need to move fast.
Wait, where are Komorebi and the others?
This is all we got. I guess it's still at Delta.
Emma, I can't do this the other side.
Strask, ready or not, we're coming in.
All right. See you soon.
Bon. Donc, une fois avoir écouté ça, on peut avancer. Et on saute.
I can figure this out.
Ah oui, ça.
Thank you, Catherine. Wait. Am I already here?
Hello?
Who is that? Mark?
No, we haven't met before.
Is this Mark?
I think we're safe.
Oh, I was so worried something had gone wrong.
What's your name?
Robin Bass. Theta Field Service Technician.
Nice to meet you, Robin. How did you get here?
I got scanned, like the others. And then I killed myself.
Attends,
At
quoi?
least I think so. I can't remember that part.
How does that work? Did dying get you into the Ark?
Wow, you're definitely not from Theta. Let me guess, Omicron? Wasn't sure Catherine would be able to scan you guys. You're lucky. There was a lot of talk about this at Theta. The idea is, when you're activated in the Ark, there's basically two of you, right? One human, one living scan in the Ark. You don't want your copy to survive you. You yourself want to survive on the Ark. If the human you dies before the scan is initiated, or closely after, you yourself would live on in the Ark. Amazing, right?
Attends. C'est que c'est pas de même que ça marche, le scan, tant que moi. Ils font une copie de toi, même si tu te donnes la mort, tu peux pas prendre la place de ta copie. Tu restes que t'es la copie, t'es plus l'original. Non.
Did Catherine put you up to this? Killing yourself?
Catherine Chun? No. I don't think you understand. She just did scans and put them into the Ark. I hope I get to meet her soon so I can apologize. She always got into trouble with Strawmeyer when someone killed themselves.
I think she's okay with it.
Where is everyone? I thought there would be like 40 or 50 people here.
I don't know. I'll let you know if I see anyone. Robin, I'm not sure how to say this.
What?
This is
Yeah?
pretty amazing, right? I mean, the Ark.
Yeah, it's great. Catherine and the guys have really pulled through. They saved us all.
See you later.
Will do. Where'd it go?
Repose en paix. C'est mon illusion. Pense vraiment à toutes ces conneries. À quel point ce jeu peut être pesant parfois. Merde,
Anyone there? Well, Catherine, we found Theta.
We're here? We're here! Okay, great. Time to hijack ourselves a submarine. There will be nothing stopping us when we have the Dunbat.
You guys sure have a lot of machines and vehicles down here. What makes this one so special?
It's the only transport that can go into the abyss without cracking like a can of soup.
If this is one of a kind, then how did they get the Ark down the abyss in the first place?
That's a good question. I suppose they did it the hard way and just walked.
Marcher.
Didn't realize that was an option. Kath, what's it like inside the Ark? Is it like a movie or virtual reality?
No, of course not. It's, you know, like real life, but slightly better. Pleasant temperature, clean air, good weather.
So people in the Ark just walk around pretending it's the real world?
You don't have to pretend, it's perfectly immersive.
And it can just sustain itself?
Yes. Attached to a probe fueled by solar panels, it could survive for thousands of years.
That's amazing. Just thinking about the Earth being what it is and us setting out to save the final remains of humanity, it's...
Heroic.
At least it feels worth doing.
Here we go. The Dunbat. Oh, damn it. I knew it was too good to be true.
What's wrong?
It's quarantined. Hold on.
Si
We
je
need
me
a
fais à
security
l'intérieur, il n'y a
cipher.
pas de l'air
How bad is it?
très en état.
It's we don't write these things down type of bad.
Maybe someone's still around who can tell us what it is.
Sure. Let's go with that. I'll just unlock the other doors for you so you can explore the station.
En tout cas, si on se fie à l'état, il n'y a pas de l'air très en état. Mais tu sais, si on se fie à l'état des choses, ok, on va vivre par nos scans peut-être des milliers d'années dans l'espace d'un panneau solaire. Mais ça reste que tout le monde est mort. C'est ce qu'ils sont en train de nous dire en théorie. Donc le jour que ça va arrêter de le jour que le satellite va arriver quelque chose ou un fuck-off, il n'y a personne pour réparer ça. On est destiné à mourir une autre fois. C'est juste que d'ici à ce temps-là, on peut profiter de les choses. Triste réalité. Tout de suite, carte.
Looks like all your friends moved downstairs.
Why abandon the gate? And the habitat? That's so strange. I don't like this at all.
Ah non, faut oublier là ça. Ça fait bizarre d'avoir autant de lumière.
Thanks, Dromar. That's a real helpful report. Be quiet, the proxy listens. What happened to Theta? No explanations anywhere.
Kinda sounds like a warning.
What the... Ok, on arrive à... Tant que moi, le monstre que je déteste le plus au monde. Lui, il ne faut faire absolument aucun bruit. C'est pas compliqué, je déteste cette créature-là. Fait que moi, elle est juste extrêmement flippante. What the fuck, man? Et c'est tout. Moi, l'avantage, c'est que je peux utiliser. Nous nous retrouvons dans le prochain.